Second day of Christmas. Do you want to hear the additional dark, murderous history, or just get on with the song? Well, we're going to say murderous is murder, right? Murder. Yes. Okay. In the early 10th century in Bohemia, which is now the Czech Republic, a young noble boy's father died, and so he was brought up as a Christian by his grandparents. His pagan mother was not happy about this, and so she arranged for the grandmother to be killed by assassins. When the boy turned 18, he assumed the title of Wenceslaus I, Duke of Bohemia. The mother was convicted of her crime and banished. Wenceslaus was known for his love and care of the poor people of his kingdom, and out of Christian charity, unbanished his mother. Big mistake. She then plotted with the jealous younger brother who personally killed Wenceslaus at the young age of 25. The good news, there's a brilliant legend attached to the statue of St. Wenceslaus in Wenceslaus Square in Prague. The story goes that if the Czech Republic is in danger, the statue of King Wenceslaus will come to life, raise a sleeping army, and reveal a legendary sword to bring peace to the land. Happy ending. Happy ending. Sure.
All right. Let's carry on with the other 13.
The other 13. Okay.
3 verses or 5? Who has them?
I think most have only 3.
Okay, so let's just do 3. Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your evening.
Thank you.
What's that? You're getting there by now. Yeah. And the door. Yes. And the first that's Captain McCall. Yeah.
We 3 kings of Orient are, bearing gifts we traverse afar. Field and fountain, moor and mountain, following yonder star. Oh, star of wonder, star of night, star with royal beauty bright, westward leading, still proceeding, guide us to thy perfect light. Born a king on Bethlehem's plain, gold I bring to crown him again. King forever, ceasing never, o'er all soul to reign. Oh, star of wonder, star of night, star with royal beauty bright, westward leading, still proceeding, guide us to thy perfect light. Frankincense to offer have I, incense songs the deity nigh, prayer and praising, all and raising, worshiping God Most High. Oh, star of wonder, star of night, star with royal beauty bright, westward leading, still proceeding, guide us to thy perfect light.
Shall we toss the pot? We are going to toss the pot. Let us toss the pot. You need to hear about this one. Okay. Now gather around, friends, for a festive tune from the good old days when hydration meant ale and moderation was, well, unheard of. Here's a song from the Renaissance when the solution to every problem was to simply toss the pot. So please enjoy this next song, and if you do toss anything, aim away from the carolers.
Toss the pot, let us be merry and drink till our cheeks be as red as a cherry. We drink no lot, we have no care, for still we spend and never spare, till all the money our purses bear, we ever toss the pot. Toss the pot, let us be merry and drink till our cheeks be as red as a cherry. We drink carols with hearts most free, a hearty draught I drink to thee, then fill a tot again to me, and ever toss the pot. Toss the pot, let us be merry and drink till our cheeks be as red as a cherry. And when our money is all spent, then sell our goods and spend our rent, or drink it up with one consent, and ever toss the pot. Toss the pot, let us be merry and drink till our cheeks be as red as a cherry. Toss the pot, let us be merry and drink till our cheeks be as red as a cherry.
That's like an ancient drinking song, basically, right?
Should we open some?
Oh, sure. Yeah, sure.
All right, so in case you've been hanging out with us for a while and you'd like to move on, we'll end here with very appropriate. You don't have to leave. You may hang out with us over.
Old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind. Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne. For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne. We'll take a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. And show